Mama? Mama, I am back from that useless response of mine. I've left his house. Just like you've always wanted. I'm back.
Shift, I want to sweep that place. Mama,
are you even listening to me? I said I'm back. Mama, is this how you're going to welcome me by ignoring me?
Try a lesson. Yes. Think you can steal my money?
Mama, have I not been telling you how that stupid Ndubisi has been sitting in the house? That useless boy. Have I not been telling you? And what did I tell you? Mama, you said I should pack my things and come back to this house. But you know me now. I cannot just come back like that. Leave my husband's house just like that. I couldn't do it. Dorcas, I have always told you that once marriage enters into domestic violence, that is already over. I advised you to pack your things and come back home. But you did not heed to my advice. Instead, you remained in that house until he hit you out of the house. Mama, have you met me? Are you sure you have met me like you know me? You know me, Dorcas Osiribo. He who beats me out of the house. Ndubisi. Mama, I made sure I gave him an injury that will take him years to heal. Like years to heal. Yes! I couldn't leave, Mama. I couldn't leave. I dealt with him. He will not forget me in a hurry. Dorcas, I told you to leave him. You would have come back with him so I will settle this issue. Get her! Get her! Get her! I'll get it! I'll get it! Mama! What happened? You better hold it there, Mama. Better refrain from addressing me as your in-law before I pour my anger on you. Mama, so is your plan, Abi? Is you people's plan? Becoming your in-law is the worst mistake I've ever done in my life. But I promise you, Mama, that mistake, that error, I am going to correct it soonest. Yes, now listen. And listen very carefully. Before I will end this marriage, your daughter will suffer. She's going to suffer for what she did to me. But just calm down. Calm down, oh? Calm down. Listen, I called you severally to bring her back. So both of you will come back so we'll settle this issue. But you didn't come back with her. Mama, as what? I should bring her as her nanny. I've told your daughter countless times to leave my house, but she insisted on staying. Mama, your stupid daughter have the mind to fight me in my own house. Fight you? I don't know. But she told me you are the one that have been hitting her in the house. Lies. Lies, Mama. You clearly do not know your daughter. Your daughter beats me up anytime she wants. Chima. Her husband. And I've been enduring that all this while. Not until she went to my manhood, Mama. Guess what? Your daughter, your stupid daughter, beat my manhood. Hey! Beat my manhood, yes. What? Right now, down here, I am having a serious pain. Serious issue. That's a life-threatening injury, Mama. And I will not take it. Your daughter will suffer. Mama!
Can you buy a meal because what they do here? Can manu ma mlekwa ye mewe ka ye ti aboniki o?
Mama. No, you should have told me you want to finish me. Yeah, so Mama, this has been your plan all this while. I will not take it. Your daughter will suffer. You want to bite the second one. I said it. I said it. Your daughter will suffer. You like the music?
Yeah, I love the song. It's actually my best.
Ah.
Yeah, it's my favorite song.
Wow. Well, I'm still learning. So how long is your father going to stay on this trip?
He's staying for 4 days.
4 days? It's too short.
Yes, it's too short, but it's the longest trip he has gone to. Don't forget, that man hardly travels.
Baby, I can't wait for the day I will stop sneaking into this house. I need to tell your father how much I feel about you, so that I will stop sneaking into this house. Is that a bad idea?
Okay, very bad idea. A dangerous one for that matter.
Bad idea.
Can I have your word with you, please? No, I'm busy. Ivy, no, please. Are you blind? Can't you see I'm busy?
Baby, it's very important, please.
No, get out.
Baby, please, go and answer her.
No.
Just go, I will be here waiting for you. Please.
Fine.
What is it?
Have you forgotten suddenly that your father have warned you severally to stop seeing that man?
Wait. So is this the reason you pulled me out? Are you mad?
Ivy, if your father catches that man in this house, there will be a lot of trouble and I won't be able to save you.
Shut up. Are you mad? How dare you? Huh? Did I tell you I need you to save me in the first place? Listen, my father traveled and he will not be coming back until 4 days' time. So I see no reason why I cannot spend time with my man.
Ivy, I won't be able to save you this time if your father catches him here.
Like I needed your help in the first place.
Ivy, you keep slapping me and your father have warned you to stop slapping me.
I don't care about my father's warning. As long as you keep on behaving like an animal, then I will treat you as one.
Ivy, me an animal. Ndo, Biko. I know what my daughter has done is very bad and evil. Please find a place in your heart and forgive her. Oh, I can go and call my husband's people so that we can settle this issue once and for all.
Mama, that's not gonna happen. I don't have time for that. Time for discussion is over. This is time for action. Yes, I've been tolerating her for a very long time, but I will not take it again. She will suffer.
Biko, let's leave police out of this. Oh, Biko. Leave me. Leave me alone.
Keep quiet.
Leave me alone.
Officer,
Leave me alone. Ndubisi.
What kind of rubbish embarrassment is this? Huh?
Okaneku?
Oh, you think you can use police and money to intimidate me, Dorcas? Me, Dorcas Ozuribo. Isianya. You lie, Ndubisi. Why didn't you come alone? No. You would have just walked into this place alone. Let's do it hand to hand. Eh? I will deal with you.
Uma, hold it. What's your problem? Have you seen what has been passing? What's your problem?
Eh? Have you seen her? Did you hear your daughter? Did you hear the animal that I've been living with for a very long time? But this time around, no. I am going to do something that she will regret. She will suffer.
Eh? You are an idiot.
Eh?
Shut up!
Go!
Leave me alone, because I know you'll be biased as always. I don't need interference. This is my battle, let me fight it. Ndubisi, it's small, too small, very small for me. I will deal with you, Ndubisi. See your blood. That's it. I will scatter a squeeze that is from Zobo. Hey, don't mind her, Biko. Don't mind her.
Okay,
shake up, what? How are
you? You will regret this.
Bia Dorcas, do you know you are under arrest? Huh? Who is arresting me? India. Mama, I'm not scared of them. I'm not scared of them. Mama, I want to be sick. You will hear me. I will deal with you. I will kill you.
Eh, officers, take her away. Do your job.
No.
Do it.
Do it.
Take her away.
Who are you?
Mama, you are telling me. Officers, do your job. Mama, see you in court. See you in court. Take her away. Rubbish.
Baby, you couldn't have hit that woman.
She deserves it.
Why would you say that? Considering her age and...
Listen, can't we just forget about her existence and have fun?
Is it right? You know, I will forever love you and cherish you. You know?
You always have sweet words to say.
Come here.
I don't know, and he's coming inside.
Just go and hide. I know it's going to kill you.
Baby, your daddy is home. Where's my pretty angel? Where's my baby girl? Daddy is home.
You have to look for this guy right now.
Let me walk.
Go.
Is it a good idea?
Yes, go.
Where is he? Don't give me that look. Where is that bastard? Have I not warned you to stop seeing that animal? Eh?
Dad, are you seriously, I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you kidding me now? Where is he? I know there's someone in this house. And woe to him, woe unto him if I catch him.
Dad, there's nobody in the house.
You don't want to tell me, right? Okay, no problem.
Dad.
I don't you get out of my way. Get out of my way. Do this in hotel. You don't have ears. I don't know if it is a carpenter that beat your ears and painted it that you cannot use it to hear something. I don't believe you. I know there's a man in this house. There is a man in this house. But listen to me. Woe to that man. He will smell rot if I lay my hand on him this time.
Dad,
what has come over you?
Dad, there is nobody in the house.
Are you kidding me right now? I am your father and I know more than you do. I know when there's a rat somewhere, there's a man in this house. But listen to me. You are not of age to follow men. Did you hear me?
But I'm 19.
And so? You are 19. So what? Is 19 90 years? I am your father and I am the one to tell you when to follow men. I'm the one to tell you when you are ripe for men. You are not ripe for men. Right now, Ivy.
Dad, this is just one thing I don't like about you.
Are you sure?
Snacks everywhere, sir. You can go and check in.
Then where the hell is he? Where is that he-goat? Because I am very sure of what I am saying.
Dad, I don't like this embarrassment.
You shut up. You don't like this embarrassment. Why am I embarrassing you? That cannot listen to me? Listen to me. There is a man in this house and I am sure there's a man in this house. What are you saying? So are you saying that I'm lying now? I'm a liar, that your father is a liar. I don't know what I'm saying. Eh? What, these two glasses. Who drank with the other one? I am sure one belongs to a man who knew that your father was coming back and ran to hide.
Dad, you're getting everything wrong. I made use of the two glasses.
Don't allow me to slap you. In as much as I love you so much, don't allow me to slap you. You made use the use of two glasses as in one car. You use two hands now to drink. Eh?
Sir, let me go and check the backyard.
Okay. Listen to me. Comb everywhere. Search the backyard. And tell the gate man to lock the gate. Let not even Ijiji go out of this house. You see that boy, I will catch him. And he will know that in this present age, we still castrate people. What nonsense. Go to that man if I catch him. I will tell him that I am your father. I am your father. Poor man. Prognosing everywhere. Searching for rich man's daughter. He will die. Yeah, my daughter, but I know for you.
It's not been long they left with her.
And you don't know the police station they took her to?
I don't know. Ndubisi just came here with 2 policemen and left with her.
Okay, I will find out. But why would they arrest her? Instead of reporting to us, her people, what is really happening?
Let me tell you the truth, my brother. Ndubisi has been coming here to complain how Dorcas has been maltreating him. But my own issue now is, I don't know when Dorcas turned into a carnivorous animal that she had to go and bite the husband before Jibulu walking.
Is that what really happened?
Ifede, that means you have not been listening to what I've been saying. Dorcas attacked her husband, and the only place she saw to bite him before Jibulu walking got Alialo.
That girl has indeed gone far. If that is what really happened, I see why they used the police on her. This case is going to be really hard to resolve. She's already a mad woman.
Yeah, Mama, you can yell maka. You can yell maka. Oh, one them cable yell maka biko. Come on, go there, Bono. Let's know where she is. Then we'll bring her out of there. Please.
Okay. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do and see if she is going to come out.
My love, you need to start leaving now.
Where's your father?
Probably in his room, I don't know.
Probably. That means we are not even sure if he's in his home or not.
What are we saying? You don't have time to waste. The more you're staying here, the more you're putting yourself in danger.
How do I go?
I don't know, but I'm sure the gateman will not allow you to go through the gate. The only thing you can do right now is fly through the fence.
Fence? I never fly fence before. I've never done that. It's risky for me.
I know, but it's not that hard. I'll just take it to the dwarf fence at the backyard. Let's go.
I've never fly fence.
Let's go. Let's go. Be fast. Shh. Be fast. Go. Come on now. Go. What's wrong with you? Hey! Hey! Go. Be fast! Can't push you. Don't follow.
Hey! Wait. Calm down. Easy. Calm down. You want to soup him? No. Wait. By the time I take him to Oga, you will know that we don't just enter someone's house. This is every house. I don't catch the idiot. I don't catch the thief. I said, go down. Oga, this is the criminal. This is the thief. The onion shit. See, I'm here.
You in my house?
Sorry. sorry, sir. It will not happen
Are
again.
you mad?
I'm sorry, sir. Please.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Dad, please, stop!
Hey! Get out of my sight. Get inside, man. I'll kick you. Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, sir.
Give me.
Sir,
You poor man. Hey, go down on your knees. What are you looking for here? Listen to me. I do not have anything in common with poor people.
Yes, sir.
I don't like poor people. Yes. That is what I said.
Yes, sir.
Stop chasing my daughter everywhere because she is not your type.
It will never happen again, sir.
Of course, it will not happen
It's not going
again.
to happen again.
It will not happen again. It will not happen again because
Yes, sir.
you are going to sleep in the police net today.
Sir, please don't do this. Don't do this kind
That
of
is
thing.
if I have not butchered you with this.
Hey,
cutlass.
sir, please, now, please. I beg you.
Listen to me. I don't want to see any poor people around me.
Yes, sir.
Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
After locking you up, if you come out and see any rich man passing,
Sir, please.
I said go
please.
down.
Hey.
If you see any rich man passing, do not greet.
Yes, sir.
I repeat, do not what?
Great.
Do not greet.
Yes, I will.
Because you are poor. Go and make money, and you can come into my compound.
Sir, please, now, please.
You are mad.
Let me go.
Take
sir.
this.
Sir, please, now, please. I'm sorry,
You
sir.
sleep in the
Pico,
police
Pico.
net today.
Sir, no verse now. No verse. I'm not going to do one again. Please, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Please.
I will castrate you.
Sir, forgive me, please. Please.
I'll forgive
Please
you.
don't do this, sir. Please.
I'll forgive you inside the prison. You go to the police net and from there they will transfer you.
Hey, he's not taking his calls, eh? Where does he keep his phone that he's not taking his calls? Eh? No,
Hey, I heard what happened though. So how are you coping?
Kamaka. How will I cope? I'm even trying to call Emeka on the phone. He's not taking my calls.
Hey.
Eh? Call down one BNK, people know.
Don't worry. My husband told me that he's trying to raise money for you.
God will bless him faithfully for me. God will bless him. Do you know I've been going around asking people for money? Nobody agrees that they have. If I have a daughter that listens to me, all this would have happened. All this would have happened though. Eh?
Don't worry. It is well. I pray that God will help you and raise money so that you go and bear her out of the cell. You know, police said it's not for women especially. Go to Obi or Gadema. Oh, it doesn't be good.
Emeka pick his phone, Yan. Let him pick his call now.
Ivy, your father is at the diner. I said, your father...
Get out! Now!
He was... Okay. Sir, she doesn't want to come out from her room.
She doesn't want to come out from her room?
Yes, sir.
Did you tell her I'm the one calling her?
I did, sir.
Okay. Ivy. What's the problem? Huh? Anyway, serve us.
Don't serve me, I'm not hungry.
Don't serve you. You are not hungry. Okay. Serve us then. Ivy, come back here.
That was totally uncalled for. Don't you know that Nkemi is twice as your age? Eh? She's twice your age. She deserves some respect from you. Listen to me. I want you to go out there now and apologize to her. Now.
Dad, just leave me, please.
Hey. Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. You're talking to your father. I am your father. I know it's because of that rascal. Look at the damages he has done in my family. He has changed you to something else.
That's not true. I love Emeka so much. He is my boyfriend. And there is no justification for the way you treated him.
He has not seen anything. He will spend 3 days in a guard room. I mean, in a military barrack, in the barracks. I want him to receive military training and beatings so that his brains will be reset. They will reset his brain. If he sees a rich man's daughter, he will flee.
You know what, man? I hate you so much. I hate you so much.
You can hate me for all I care. But you see that boy, Emeka, he will stay 3 days and they will ballet beat him. Just look at it. Because I'm trying to put you in order. Protect my window. I don't wait for you.
What are you doing? Ivy, I'm talking to you. Why are you making food while I have enough food in the fridge? Ivy!
Are you mad? Are you stupid? How dare you lay your dirty hands on me? Huh? You reported my man to my father, knowing fully well what my father would do to him, right?
He's not supposed to be here. You're not supposed to be seeing him. Your father doesn't like... Shut up!
Are you stupid? How dare you? How dare you talk back at me? Listen, in this house, just avoid me. I don't want to see you again. Just stay far away from me if you don't want my trouble. Get out!
When will you stop slapping me, Ivy?
I will slap you. What will you do? You keep on putting your dirty mouth in what does not concern you, right? This is just the beginning. I will deal with you.
Hey, this man wicked though. Come on. Sorry, my brother. It's okay. Sorry. Make I take it to the hand. Sorry. No reason, man. What if they cause police? One person they go through a lot, though. Most of them they tell me say, we love her.
Let's go.
I pray they will release that to us today. Oh.
We have a good lawyer. I'm sure he will secure her bail.
I pray.
Yes, but it's only that we are owing the lawyer 50,000 naira. But I'm sure we will give it to him after.
I know. See, my only worry right now is I've been trying to call Emeka since morning. He's not taking my calls. And he's not returning them. Ogini?
Hi.
Emeka? What happened to him?
Mama, he said he was attacked.
He was attacked?
Yes, ma.
What happened to you?
Let him sit down.
What happened to you?
It's a long story, Mama. Man.
A long story? Yeah, tell me now. Tell me about it.
Let's go so that you sit down.
What happened to you? Tell me. Mama, you said he was attacked. Attacked by whom? I don't know. I don't know. My clothes, Ivy.
This is just the beginning. By the time I'm done dealing with you, you'll regret if I'm messing with you.
Ivy, what did I do to you? My clothes. I bought my clothes. And these are my favorite clothes. These are my favorite clothes.
You won't burn yourself. You won't carry out.
Help me now. What did I do to this girl? I said it. I said it. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now look at what you have gotten yourself into. I don't know why my children don't listen to me. Eh? I have warned you severally to stay away from that little girl. But you refused.
Mama, but you know I love her.
Shut up! My God, you know I love her. Shut up! Her father have warned you countless times to stay away from his daughter. You refused. Now let's look at what it has cost you.
But the way I see, the pain is much. Hi, that man is mean and heartless.
I support what he did to him 100%. It is his stubbornness that got him into this. My children are so stubborn as their late father. Just look at the headache him and his sister are giving to me. Eh?
But Emeka, your mother here is suffering and I don't like it.
Tell him.
I don't like it. Mama, what about my sister Dorcas?
Who are you asking?
That one. She's in the police cell as we speak.
What? What happened?
What is what happened? Her stubbornness got her there. The same way your stubbornness has gotten you into what you are into now. How will you tell you will not listen? Eh? Listen to your parents. Do this. Now look at what you're going through.
Mama, calm down.
Sweetheart, how are you? The maid said you have not been out since today, not even to eat. Why? Come on.
What do you want?
I want your attention. You can't keep treating me this way.
Dad, you know I'm very mad at you, right?
I know. I'm sorry if what I said hurt you, okay? But I...
When is my mother coming back?
Well, you have your mom's number, so why don't you call her?
Oh, you think I've not tried her number? I've been calling her, but it's not connecting.
Maybe she has gone underwater. I'm sure she will be back by the month end. But you know your mom cannot take care of you or understand you more than I would do, right?
No. Dad, you don't understand me at all. At this point, I really need my mother.
Okay, well, I just thought I should come and check on you. It's okay. Take care of yourself.
Pick your call now. It's something important. My video call, so.
Then pick it.
Waiting my mother talk now true. You be like say I go let this girl go. Make she do her thing, man, do my thing.
But you told me you love this girl. Why now?
Honestly, I love the girl. I know go lie for you, Osita. But you be like say I go let her go. You get what?
No. Okay? Now your happiness now they talk about here. Forget this way they talk. Now your happiness. Forget waiting your mama they talk.
But her father no want me now. Her father they pour spit for my face. So let me just let her go now.
That
It's
one
better
day.
that
That one day. But you know say, na love matter. This is why you don't tell me things about this girl. And now you won't concrete. You so much love this girl and it's your happiness. No they talk all these ones.
her
Guy,
father no want me.
follow up with this girl. Forget her papa. Her papa no get anything. Now the girl get the right to choose who she won't deal with. If this is the way they talk. She can't talk about these ones. You see love, they run again. You wait, they cry for this girl. Day in, day out. Why are you talking like this now?
I love the girl, but her father no wants me. So
Oh, girl, leave this thing. Pick this girl, call. Stop this thing. Odogo, pick this girl, call now. What's in this song? Who be that?
It's me.
What's happened?
Elijah, please just let me in, please.
Mbao, there is no way you will enter this house. Abi, do you want my guard to sack me? Do you want me to collect slap again?
Elijah, please, I am begging you. See, if he's not around, I don't mind. And guys, sit outside here and wait. Please, just help me,
There
please.
is no way you are going to stay here. Madam, I beg, I go advise you, make you carry this your pikin, they go. See, Oga don't give me serious warning. The next time when you see for here, he go give me better slap or he sack me. And I go either choose from the slap or the sacking. And you know, say, work no this content. There is no way I'm going to
I understand, but I'm begging you, please. It's very urgent. Just help me, please. I can stay outside here. I don't mind, please.
I put water for mat, they talk to you. I mean, you want me to go inside, go carry machete, pursue for you. And they tell you, they go. I don't want to holler, I beg. Carry your pikin, they go.
See, my son is not feeling fine. He's very sick. I just want to take some money, please, so that I can treat him. Just help me, please.
Madam, you dey very stupid, though. I don't tell you, you dey very, very stupid. Carry your son, go north, go village, go south. Just carry and waka. I don't want am here, I beg. I dey on serious warning. If I can see this boy, I'll see you for here. My own done. My own don't finish. Just carry and they go.
Please, Elijah, help me, please, Bikonu. I'm begging you, please.
What do you think I do now?
For the sake of my son, please.
Now, madam, carry your son, they go far now. What do you want make I do now? There is nothing I can do for you, okay? Hello, please, carry your son and go.
Ago. You have your uncle here to thank for securing your release.
Uncle, thanks, sir. You're welcome.
Dorcas, you would have saved us all this shame and embarrassment if you hadn't fought your husband the way you did. Nkita biamo. Eh?
Uncle,
you don't know the man I married. You don't have an idea of the kind of useless man I married. You see Ndubisi, he's not supposed to get married to any woman. At all, because he knows nothing. He knows nothing about marriage. See people that knows everything about marriage. Here you are, coming back from cell. Shame on you.
Mama.
Because there's food in this house because I'm hungry. I don't have energy for this thing you're saying. This I'm not. Which food? Which food? Food, I'm hungry. There is no food in this house. Go and start
Go and fight again so they will give you food.
All you want is an in-law. You don't care they kill me in that house. All you want to go get married, stay married. Can you hear me? That's all my mother is. That's all she's after. What about my health? My safety? She does not care. I keep telling her this man is maltreating me. He's not doing me well. He's not doing me well. He's not making me happy. That's all I hear.
Why you keep fighting him? You
are a tiger. That one I did to him is very small compared to the plan I have for DPC. So keep pushing me to that place. If I go back there, he will not like what I want to happen. Give me food, let me eat, Mama.
There is no food.
Ne.
Where? There is no food in this house. You broke order. Open on rock, Eka.
Who's making noise? Huh? Elijah! Elijah!
Madam.
Come here! Who is making noise? Who's that?
That stupid woman. That yeah person. That woman no get sense.
Are you mad? How dare you insult someone in my presence? Huh?
Madam, no verse. But now she first vex me. I don't want that woman. Make she know they come here. That woman, I don't want to say different times. Make she know they come here. But if I say the woman head no too complete.
Oh, shut up. Shut your mouth up. You've not even answered my question. You're insulting somebody. Elijah, who is she?
Madam, that woman where they come here with, come see your guy with one small.
Shut up.
Picket.
So you had the temerity to open gate for a total stranger without informing me first?
I don't open the gate. The woman, the idiot.
Get out. Get out.
Madam, I don't understand. Make I come over.
I said you should go. Leave.
Okay.
Come here. This act should not repeat itself again.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I don't collect slap again. Now this slap I did avoid. I go give it. See.
Me. No. Oh. What name? Sister.
You are back.
I'm back, oh. That's why I'm eating. I've not eaten, my brother. Amy Ogini, why are you holding your hand? Who injured you?
He got injured by the same man. I told him to stay away from his daughter.
Are you saying that Pauline did this to you?
Yes.
Sister, he caught me with his daughter and they sent the boys to beat me up.
You were up here. Pauline sent boys to do this to you and you came back here. You left him.
What came no? Sit down and eat your food, okay?
Mama, don't hold me. Pauline had the mind to send boys to do this thing to my brother because he's following a girl that is 18 years. Can you hear me? Why? Mama, I'm going back there to fight him. Because you don't know how long I have been longing, waiting for Pauline to enter. He didn't.
Fighter.
He's been tempting me and I've been keeping quiet. But right now, Obago, no way. Don't stop me, Mama.
Because I know it is pain.
Mama, right
now. Mama, I think she likes going to jail. She likes jail. Why is sister like this? Always fighting.
In fact, you can't go.
Madam, you just see I'm now because of you now. I don't go inside, go collect slap. I don't go collect slap where I never even plan for. I don't want you now, I don't advise you. Carry this boy come out for this place now. You won't put me for trouble. Huh? Carry this boy come out here. I want to sack me from this house where I don't work for years. House where I don't get degree, I don't get all this security personnel. Them don't carry and give me for this whole state. Now you won't come here and make them come sack me. Now carry this boy come out for years. Now shit until you put me for wahala. Oh, God don't come now. Oh, God don't come now. Which one make I tell her? Madam, can you speak come up for here now? You won't put me for wahala. Can you speak come up for here now?
What's going on here? Hello. Sonia, what are you doing here? Oh, nonsense. What are you doing here? What's the problem? What do you want from me again?
Please. My son is very sick.
How is it my fault? Am I a doctor? What's my business with your son being sick?
Please just help me. Just help me. I don't want to lose my son, please.
Are you mad?
It's our son.
I will slap you. He is not my son. And stop referring to this boy as my son. This boy came out of your promiscuity.
Oh.
This boy does not concern me. Are you getting me?
You can't say this of your son, Paul. Please.
Something is wrong with you.
Please.
Listen, the last time you came here, I told you that I was going to arrest you. I told you that the next time you will come here, I will arrest you.
Please, I am begging you. Just give me little money. Let me take him to the hospital, please.
Okay, I should give you little money. Just little money.
Yes.
All right, no problem. Stand up. Stand up. Little money. Now turn and face the other side because I will call the police and you will sleep in the police net. Something is wrong with your head. Get out from here! Nonsense. I will kick you. Hey. What are you doing outside?
This same woman. This woman no one gree leave you. She doesn't come here since afternoon. They talk, say she wants. I say you go put me for wahala. Because of her now, I don't go inside. Collect slap from small madam. From madam. Slap me. She
Talking like someone who has lost his brains. Ebulu battery. I go inside and slap me. Are you mad? Eh? Next time I will see this lady here, I will sack you. You will tell me what you are doing with her. Open the gate.
Yes, sir.
Son of a pan wine tapper. What's going on here? Eh? What's the problem?
Nothing, sir. Welcome.
Nothing. I met you in tears and you're telling me there is nothing going on. What is the problem? Can you talk to me?
Nothing, sir. Sir, I get something irritated in my eyes.
Is it my daughter?
No, sir.
She hit you? She slapped you again?
No, sir.
Okay. Ivy, what is wrong with you? How many times have I warned you not to touch that maid? Have I not warned you to stop laying your hand on anybody in this house? Eh? What is wrong with you? Excuse you? What? What happened to you? Who hit you?
Oh, Daddy, it's nothing.
It's nothing and you have bruises?
Daddy, I didn't want to tell you. I don't want you to get angry. But...
Hold on. Who did this to you?
Daddy, it's a king, but I have forgiven her. Just forget about it.
Did this to a daughter of a rich man. These poor people do too. Nkem? Where is she? Nkem? Are you mad?
Are you serious right now? Come closer. Are you mad? You had the audacity to hit my daughter? The temerity, the impetus to lie to me.
No, sir, I did not touch her.
How dare you?
I did not touch her.
The daughter of a rich man.
No, sir.
A rich man's daughter.
I did not touch her.
And you, a daughter of palm wine tapper? What man about you goosey neke? Today, you will see yourself. I will so flog you. In fact, raise up your two hands. You don't have respect for rich men.
I did not touch her, I swear.
You still lying to me. Sorry, my love. Should I take you to the hospital?
No, I'm okay. I just need cold water.
Okay. All right, no problem. Let me get you something to, cool your eyes. So you had the powers to touch my daughter. You do not have fears. You do not have fears for your life. Eh? You see? I'm coming for you. Hold on. You beat my daughter? Okay.
Why did you lie to him?
Oh, will you shut your mouth? Shut your dirty mouth up. Huh? So you had the guts to tell my father the truth about me slapping you, right? Just get ready. I will make this house a living hell for you. Yes, for frustrating my relationship, For frustrating my relationship, I will make sure I deal with you.
I will tell him the whole truth when he returns.
And guess who is going to believe? You or his daughter? Rubbish. Please, leave me alone.
Officer Cousin.
Yes, sir.
I brought you here because one woman has been bothering my peace. My peace and that of my family. This woman comes here with a son. Whenever she comes, please, I want you to arrest her. Arrest her. If you see any woman here with a son trying to trespass, cross this gate, arrest the person. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is the message.
Can we have a picture of such woman? Because we want to know who we are looking out for.
Well, I used to have a picture in my phone, but not anymore. But I just told you, if you see any woman clutching on a little boy trying to trespass, enter my gate, arrest the person.
Yes, sir.
Don't waste time. It is the culprit. Yes, that is the person you are looking for. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Agoze.
How far now?
Ade, my brother.
What's happening now?
My brother, Ade.
What am I hearing? Are you telling me you want to arrest that lady?
Of course.
Why?
I want to arrest her. I will arrest her so that this will stop once and for all. I already have 2 policemen on the lookout. Let them arrest her. What is this? Oh,
come on, Paul. That lady has your child with her now. What are you saying?
No. That boy is not my child. He is not my child. Somebody I sent to her parents. And before you know it, she came back with that boy claiming, no.
You know you can only prove that through a DNA and not this one you're saying here.
Agoze, I do not need any DNA to know who is my child or not. That boy is not my child. It's simple. So how come you're telling me that the child is my
Paul,
child?
you need to calm down. I know this lady offended you. She cheated on you, fine. But you can't allow that child to suffer like this. Because of the mistake of her mother. It's not nice.
Okay, so what you're saying is that I should put my money to save a child who is not mine?
Oh, please, calm down, okay? We'll find the lasting solution.
Agozie, what I will do is I will give you her number. Call her and do whatever you want to. Why do you? No, I don't even have her number. The moment it happened, everything went. I deleted everything. I will get her arrested. I said my own too. I will get her arrested. Let's go your car. Don't come and tell me how to live my life because you're my friend. You know what? Somebody who cheated on me. Don't you know that lady can kill me? She will be arrested.
Dorcas, what have I done to you that you have decided to bring shame and disgrace to this family? I don't know where that is coming from. I don't understand what you're saying. Shame and disgrace. How? What did I do? Hey, Mama, you expect me not to go and fight for my brother? Nebe, is this how I'm going to protect this family's name when you are not around? No, when you're gone, this is how I'm going to protect it without fighting for my rights. Dorcas, must you fight? Must you? Mama, I don't go fighting people that did not come for me. You have to come for Dorcas, so she will come for you.
Sister, you're not supposed to fight him. You're supposed to obey Mama. What of you if that man sent police now to come and arrest you? What will you say?
Somewhere else. What is police? Or say police? Am I scared of police?
You get Jenga, I swear. If you continue like this, you go to jail.
Anyway, me, I am not in any way ready to go and release any mad person from the cell. Continue doing what you like. That's your business. Anyway, your husband's people called me and started lamenting and threatening me over the phone because of what you did to their son. You see? That's who called you. Your husband's people called you!
Hey! Where do you think you're going to? Sister?
Come on, Agazi.
Where do you think you're going to?
Hey! Why are you blocking my path?
Because I know you are going out there to fight. You want to cause more problem for Mama. What is this now?
What is your problem?
Sister, calm down.
Do you know you don't have shame? I am fighting your battle, me, a woman. Okay, you need to change your name. Togechi, Mbechi, Onkechi Nyere, because you're not a man. You remember carrying chest. What is
Sister, stop beating my chest.
Come on, see me report. Can you mean I is this how you're going to protect the family name when I leave? When I go to my husband's house and be comfortable?
Sister, calm down.
My mama is dead. Come on, see me report.
See, I will not be a party to this.
Come on.
I swear to God, I will not be a party to this.
I am going to fight and I will come back victoriously. You will see.
You like fight, I know.
Shameless man.
Thank you. Mama! Come, Mama! Mama! You have killed Mama. You have killed Mama. Dorcas, you have killed Mama. Sister, no sister, your name again. Dorcas, you have killed Mama. Mama! She's here. Mama, she's sitting here. Mama, Biko. Mama, beg. Dorcas! Come and wake Mama. Mama, please.
Mama, no cool.
Mama, beg.
I'm sitting down.
Mama! Mama! Don't come now. Come, let's come here.
See, that girl is very, very wicked. That girl, they're very wicked. Very, very wicked. That she's small like that. Now she did any small thing. She go open that big eye. They look things we don't even consign her.
Now, God thinks I'm maltreating his daughter. You see that Christmas clothes he promised to buy for me?
Yes.
He no buy again, no. He no buy again. He's even threatening to sack me.
Hey!
That's my problem.
Now this one bad pass. Now this one bad pass. See, I will advise you. Do whatever you can to avoid that girl. That girl now black Jesus, as they say, like, as she's small like that now, so all her problems full her body. Avoid that girl, because the way they see that girl now, that girl if you just go do something now, we go make Oga come they look you somehow. Oga if even fire yourself, and you know say once you come up for this house, now hunger go to kill us for this house, and you know what that means, sir.
That one is my problem. I don't want Oga to sack me. If Oga sack me now, where I won't go, where I won't start from.
Just to
I
avoid
want
that
to
girl.
go inside before she, you know how she used to behave. Before she will go tell her papa another thing.
Yeah, run now, run, waka fast. You know say that girl they do like Mukapi. They waka slow, they watch people with they do. Run now.
Who's all this? Who scattered this place? Oh my God.
Why did you scatter and litter everywhere?
What are you saying?
Ivy, I just tidied here a few minutes ago, then went outside to get something.
Oh, shut up, you liar. Are you sure you went out to get something? Or you were discussing with that stupid gate man? Yes, I saw you. You were discussing with him instead of you doing your work. So I said to myself, since the chores you're doing has become so little for you, that you now have longer free period. And I figured out it's better I keep those hands and feet of yours busy.
Ivy, this is wickedness. This is pure wickedness. If your father should walk in here now, he would think I'm not working.
Where are you working? Answer me. Were you working? If I were you, instead of standing here and raising your voice at me, I would get to work before my father returns. Rubbish.
Mama, how are you doing now?
Mama, Big could be fine. Be fine. Move out of this thing. I don't understand it again. I don't understand it here.
You want to kill my mother for me? Look at you. Yeah, don't you know it's painful? Mama, sorry. Sorry, Mama.
Mama, Big, just be okay. Let me go and fetch okay, Chiku. So you come and look at you and know what is wrong with this your hair. Cause I don't understand it. They're in here. Be here, be pressing to your electric pole. Don't look at her.
You want to kill my mother for me?
Watch her.
You want to kill my mother? You want to kill me too?
Sorry, Mama, sorry.
Go! You want to kill my mother for me? Look at you. Come and beat me, you fighter. Come and fight. Look at you, want to kill my mother and kill me too. Mama, come, lie down, sleep.
Wait.
Lie down.
Wait. I am not sick.
Hey, Mama, you want to give me an attack?
Amy, don't. I only pretended to be sick. So she will not go and fight and bring another shame and disgrace to the family.
Mama, it's okay. I'm relieved now. My heart is at rest.
Okay. But don't let her know I'm pretending, because I want to pretend a little longer. Oh?
Okay, Mama. Please, don't worry. Your secret is safe with me. Hey, Mama, the mama. You wanted to give me baby. Mama, wait. There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Please, don't be angry, Mama.
No, I won't. I won't be angry. Tell me, I'm your mother.
For this kind of hot afternoon, that person will get home training by this time. Come on there. See this. Wait, see this Uncappy, you still get mine. Carry your two left leg. Come this same house. This same house where them brutal you that day, them beat you finish. You still get mine. You still won't come this. Wait, make I don't lock this door first because you can't beat it where you go collect now. You still get mine. Come this house.
I want to see Ivy. She there, Sabi, she not there.
You still open your mouth talk say you want to see Ivy.
Yes.
The same Ivy where you want to see that time where my senior oga won't beat you finish. The same Ivy where you want to see where they won't brutal you there finish. Where you collect slap, you collect machete.
Ivy!
You still get my. I dey talk. You see they talk Ivy.
Who is that? Oh my God. Where have you been? Where have you been? I've missed you. Listen, I'm so sorry for what my father did to you. It's because of this stupid gatesman and the maid you were caught.
I'm sorry I couldn't reach out.
Can you believe ever since that day I've not slept? I've been thinking about you. I'm really sorry. I even tried calling you, but you weren't speaking.
Ivy, I went home angry that day and I've been in pains for days now because of the beating I got from the guys your father sent.
I'm so sorry. I just can't believe my father will approve such maltreatment on you.
It's okay. I'm fine now and I'm here with you now. You cannot stop the love I have for you. I'm ready to go through any pain just to be with you.
You know what? Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Yes. As for you.
Hi, God, wonders if you end for this life, eh? This Nkapi still gets mind, enter this house. Nkapi where they won't slaughter that day. They don't beat you. Or God don't send boys, make them brutal you. You still get mind, come Oga house, still won't say picking. Say this kind of the beating, no, they really enter him. Because I don't really understand this kind of person. No worry. No, Oga go soon come back. No wahala. I lock this gate in case he come back. I know for 6 days. We ain't go use run.
Yeah, okay.
What's the problem? Why are you barging into me like that? Ogene, what is it?
Paulinus, don't give me that look. Oh. Don't give me that look. If you think I am here to beg you or to apologize for you to take me back as your girlfriend, you must be delusional.
Come.
Delusional.
Listen to me. This is a public space. Eh? You don't embarrass me here.
Who cares? No, how is that my business? Eh? Paulinus, you see this place? It's very comfortable. Okay for me to pass my message to you. Why did you treat my brother like that? Why? No, why did you treat Emeka like that?
I have warned your brother to stay away from my daughter. Warn him. Tell your brother to stay away from my daughter. Did you hear me? What nonsense. They are not age mates.
Look at your mouth. Clean it is dirty.
Maybe you fuck why I ate a while ago. But I know what I'm saying. As a matter of fact.
Paulinus, that time we were dating that year when I was way smaller, that you were taking me to every bush, every corner in this village, you took me to the place. Did my mother or my father come to warn you? Did anybody want you to stay away from me?
As a bush baby then, but then this is different.
There is nothing different though. There is nothing different. In fact, I have come to warn you to never try that with my brother again. Makadei why I want tap against him. You will see the other side of me. Did you hear me? If there's anybody to stay away from anybody, it's your daughter. She's the one following Emeka. No, sorry, I can't see who I want. Do you understand me? Because I don't understand why they want to be together. You're the one that say no. Why would you do that? They're not stupid, wicked, and unreasonable. Why?
Well, I am not ready to stay here.
You will not be ready. You will not be ready.
What now? What? Why are you blocking my way?
I am happy I did not end up with you. I'm here to warn you. If you try it again, I will bite off your nose.
What is your problem?
What is my problem?
Can you live here?
Live where?
Leave me. I want to enter my car.
Which car? This carton. This is not a car. I have seen better cars, finer cars, bigger cars. What is this? Carton.
Everybody listen to me. Oh. I don't want, before you people will be shouting justice for one person.
It will be justice for you.
Oh, well, banning stab law.
Oh yeah, but justice for you. Paulinus, you don't know me. I will deal with you. You know me.
You are embarrassing me.
What is that?
Get out of my way.
You don't have what to say. You don't have what to say, man. Why also?
No.
Try it again.
I've always known you to be Nkepala. Yes, and that's why I did not marry you.
You cannot marry me. Where are you going?
You
nonsense.
People. Poverty people.
It's okay, my daughter. Stop crying. You have been crying all day. Eh?
Mama, when will he ever accept this boy as his own? When is Paul going to admit that this child is his? Mama, I have vowed to him severally. I have done everything for him to accept it.
You cannot blame him. Considering the reason you were sent out of that marriage. No, you brought this upon yourself. I hope you know that.
Mama, I know. I have lived all my life in that marriage regretting, Mama. Okay. Paul hardly comes home. He hardly touches me as his wife. I told you all this, Mama. I told you.
Yes, my daughter. You told me. And I'm not happy about it. But you did the worst by going outside to cheat on him. It is very, very bad, my daughter. No.
I know. I admit that what I did is bad, Mama. I didn't say I am right. What I did was very bad. But I am regretting. I am going to regret this for the rest of my life. But the only thing I am asking for, him to just accept this boy as his. Mama, if he can just agree to a DNA test, I don't have a problem. That's the only thing I am asking for.
So just forget about him accepting this child. For all these years, he has refused to accept this child as his own. Just let him go and move on. After all, we have been the one taking care of this boy all these years. Let us continue the way we are doing it. Let him go. Forget about him. Please, my daughter. Please. Just forget about Paul for now. You can take care of this boy, Paul or without Paul. Do you understand me?
Ivy. Are you sure staying here is a good idea? It's better I go now before your father returns.
You're not going anywhere. Let my father return. It's either he leaves you or he chases both of us out.
But you need your father. I don't have money to take care of you. I live in the trenches.
Then I will go with you to the trenches. It's better I go with you than stay here with a man that consistently makes me unhappy.
Ivy, I'm scared.
I know you're scared. I'm scared as well. But it's high time we stand up to my father. Let him know that he has no say in this relationship. Why don't you drink?
I love you so much, Ivy. God knows I do.
I love you too.
Sonia, I'm glad I met you. As I speak to you right now, there are some policemen in his house waiting to get you arrested.
Policemen?
Yes!
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. Paul is doing everything possible to make sure you don't come close to him anymore. Paul does not want you again in his life, and it's obvious. And Sonia, you need to listen to me this time. You need to refrain from Paul. He hates you.
I know he hates me so much, but the only thing I am asking is for him to accept his son and care for him. That's the only thing I want.
Sonia, I know how you feel, but it will be difficult for Paul to accept you and your son. It is difficult.
You don't understand. I don't have any problem with him accepting me or not accepting me. The only thing I want is for him to accept his own son, his blood. He should just accept him and care for him. That's all I want.
This will be a very difficult and tedious task for me. But I'll promise you I will try my best. And moreover, how's your son? I heard he's not feeling well.
He's still very sick.
Oh God. Okay, Sonia, just calm down, okay? I'll do everything possible to make sure I get him to the hospital. To make sure everything is fine.
Oh, thank you so
For me,
much.
I'm concerned about your son and to make sure that it's okay.
Thank you so much, Agozi. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's fine,
Thank
it's
you.
fine. Just be calm, okay? Everything will be fine.
Thank you
Don't
so
cry
much.
anymore.
I've met with my brothers and we have agreed on a date to call Ndubisi or go to his house for reconciliation.
Reconciliation? Uncle? Did I just hear you say reconciliation? For you, no, who and who?
Will you shut your mouth and allow me to talk? Have you lost your respect for elders?
That is how carelessly she talks, so. That's how carelessly she talks.
I'm trying to remedy things and find a way to reconcile you and your husband, and you're here running your mouth. Or do you want to end the marriage entirely and stay single?
Uncle, if you like to drive, this question you would have asked me long time ago before calling on this meeting. Yes, I want to end it. Everybody stay in your house. But Ndubisi must settle me. Hi! Hey! Ekwensu, who did I offend? That God you gave me this kind of child, who did I offend? See, just imagine the way she reasons. Your husband will settle you. You want to come out of your marriage. Hey! Mama, before you, it is my life. My choice cannot be your choice. Mama, I have lived it into BC and I can categorically tell you that no sane woman can live with that bastard. That's idiot. Nobody can do that. You know, Rhea?
It's obvious you don't want peace. You don't want to reconcile with your husband. That is what I've seen.
Frozen, Biko, let's not bother about this issue again. I forgot now. Just let's allow her remain single and unmarried. Shameless thing. Mama, let me be shameless. Let me remain single in my father's house and be happy. And have peace of mind. Yes. Mama, what does that mean in a marriage? No, I want to be one. Marriage is not for everybody. Especially not for somebody like me who does not like intimidation. Because I will not take it. Mama, and now that you're forcing me, now come, to go back to BC's house. If I go there, Mama, I promise you, I will kill him. I will pieces him and bring his corpse out for you. I will bring it here for you to eat. Now come.
Why? You got Carlo no binu. What the go call God?
Some reconciliation. You people not answer my question. Who told you I want to be reconciled with him? Who told you I want to do that with him? Mama, happy because Mommy, you name me. You want me to go and die? You want to go and kill somebody? I want to kill you. Before I tell hey, everyone say me munke. Hey, Chino. Your father is back. Your father is back.
I know, relax. Can you trust me with this? Just trust me on this, please.
Oh, he's back. He became me.
Dad, you're welcome.
What? In my house?
Welcome, sir.
You again? You had the guts to step into my house.
Welcome, sir.
Are you kidding me right now? Ivy, we had an agreement that this idiot, this lunatic should stop coming to my house. Did we not?
We did.
So what is he doing here? How dare you? What are you doing in my house, in my parlor?
Dad, please relax.
Okay, get me relaxer so that I will rub and relax. Are you mad? Get out of my way. Let me devour this animal.
No, Father. You have to devour me first before devouring him.
Hey!
Why can't you just accept him to be my boyfriend?
Have you seen what you've done to my daughter? Eh? This big Bella is not your mate. Did you hear me?
But I love him.
What do you know about love? Will you keep quiet? Clean your mouth. Clean it! What do you know about love?
Dad, he can do anything he wants, but I will not allow you to touch him.
Really? Okay, no problem. No problem. I remember I still have some policemen outside. I'll bring them in. You will sleep in a police net today. Now. As I'm talking to you. Now.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Let me just go, please.
Let him call the policemen and I will gladly go with them.
You're challenging your father because of this unit.
Mom.
Hey.
Mom, you're welcome.
Welcome, Mom.
You're welcome. What's going on here?
You're welcome.
Honey?
Okay. No problem.
Honey?
No. I'll probably use that last time. No problem. Welcome.
Baby, I missed you. How are you? Oh, my baby. What's wrong with your daddy?
I don't know. Meet my friend Emeka. You remember him, right?
Oh yes. You told me about him. Thank you. You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Are you okay? My baby. I've missed you. But what's wrong with your daddy?
Ivy had the guts to bring a man into this house. Despite all my warnings. What has come over Ivy? Eh?
So that's why you zoomed off like that. No proper welcoming. Huh?
Why would she disobey my orders? Why would she disobey my orders? I have warned her severally that I do not want a boyfriend for her. Why can't she listen to me?
Honey, but she has been friends with Emeka.
Which I have always kicked against. I have said I do not want a man for her now. She's too tender for that.
How old is Ivy again? Remind me.
I don't know. You tell me.
19.
And so? 19 on Kete. Listen, she's under my roof. Even if she's 19, she's under my roof. I decide when she will be with a man. What are you saying? Are you giving this little girl wings?
You're pushing this girl too hard. And I don't like it.
I know you will support her. I know you are her backbone. The other day we were talking and my daughter had the guts to open her mouth and say, I miss my mother. As if I say happy. You see, you are protecting this girl and it is very bad.
You may actually think you're protecting her. But in the actual sense, you're pushing her farther away from you.
I am the father. I am pushing her father away. And if I push her father away, you as the mother, push her mother close. When you were at her age, were you following men? No, I answer me. I married you a virgin. Did I marry you an opio? Did I marry you an opio? Now you want my own daughter to be an express road before she marries. Don't you know how to protect your children?
My love, calm down. Calm down. See, you're going to apologize to me. I deserve an apology. You've not seen me in ages and that's how you welcomed me. I'm not happy. I won't give you kumbia if you don't.
I think you nothing was going to happen, right?
Your mother just saved the day. And she came at the right time.
You know, even if my mother was not there, nothing would have happened. Because I was ready to follow you to the police cell or wherever my father wants to take you to. My father has no choice in this relationship. He must accept it.
I don't know how you did it, but I love the new version of you.
Because I now know what I want. And I'm ready to go for it. Let's go.
I'm so sorry, guys. My trip lasted long, more than I anticipated.
I know. It's okay. At a point, I thought you've abandoned us.
How can you say that? It's not possible. My only daughter and my lovely husband. I can't do that.
On your next trip, I would love to come with you. Because your lovely husband is making my life living hell.
I'm tormenting you because I'm trying to make you not to make a mistake, right?
No, Dad. You're not trying to make me not to make a mistake. You're tormenting me.
It's okay, guys. It's okay.
Look at your daughter.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. Baby, I know you're no longer a kid. But you're still our baby. And you must understand that Daddy was only looking out for you.
Mom, I'm not a child. All I need is your level of trust. He keeps treating me like I am a 10 years old child.
It's okay, it's fine.
So you're grown?
Baby,
you're grown. My grandma. My mother in the village. You go to check up for diabetes tomorrow. Oh?
Baby, you haven't stopped this, huh? That's okay. I'm home now, okay? And everything will be fine. Everything will fall into place, okay?
I don't have appetite.
Sorry. Please, let's move forward.
Mama, the truth is that her mother likes me. Immediately she came back, she calmed her husband down.
That's good to hear. Nice woman. Chukwemeka.
Yes.
I cannot believe you left this house without telling us. Why?
I told Mama.
Ifronia, you told Mama. Mama, why didn't you tell me? When did we start hiding things from each other in this house?
Since you became unreasonable and started fighting when it's a call for Konyala. That is when we started hiding things from each other.
I told her not to tell you before you scatter everything for us. Or you discourage me not to go.
Chukwemeka, are you supposed to go to that house? I'm asking you. I told you that I will protect you if that girl comes looking for you and the father attacks. But the way you're going about this thing, I cannot help you if you keep going to that house. I can't help you.
Yeah, your brother is in love. Do you even understand what being in love is? You don't. You don't understand what it is. So don't even talk about his love life.
Mama, you see, my legs, my hands, and my mouth will be off anything concerning Chukwemeka if he keeps going to that house and gets into trouble. If he gets into trouble in that house, I will stay away from anything that has to do with him.
Madam Potato, leave me alone. Huh? I'm not soliciting for your help. Leave me alone.
Lekwa, look at this one. Can you do anything without me? I'm your spirit, soul, and body. Without me, you can't do anything. Can you talk?
As my God.
If let him not talk to me anyhow. What will you do?
If you try it,
I know you like
it. Try it.
I know you like it.
If you try it.
Leave me alone.
Only
Agozie, my wife is back.
Oh, yeah, that's great news.
Yeah, so I was trying to reach you, but you could not pick your call. I don't know. Where were you?
Oh, I was with Sonia at that time you called, I guess.
Sonia? Who's Sonia?
You're asking me.
Oh, your newly found girlfriend. I forgot. I can see both of you are heading fine.
Guys, stop this thing, okay? I'm only trying to help our son out, and that's all. Nothing more.
Yeah, it doesn't kill. You should also consider her as a wife. What do you think?
Guy, what is up now? What kind of statement is that?
Reality. I don't understand.
And moreover, I think it's high time you tell Tina about these issues going on, because if she finds out, it's going to be a disaster. You know how these ladies can be.
I smell a clapback. Yes.
How?
If not, what nonsense are you talking about? Do you know how ridiculous and insane this sounds?
Listen to me, Paul. You're my friend, and I want the best for you. I would always tell you the truth. If Tina finds out herself, it's going to be a problem.
Okay. Can you stop now? Stop, please. I don't find this funny. It's not a ball.
Calm down, I'm not quarreling. I've just been giving you suggestions. It's fine if you're not here to eat.
Please.
Thank you, my in-law, for honoring my invitation. I must confess, I never expected you to be here.
It is the respect and regard I have for you, Mazi Fedi. That is why I'm still keeping calm. I could remember the first day I came to your house. You welcomed me with both hands.
Thank you, my in-law, for remembering that. Without wasting time, let me call my brothers together. We need to have a meeting with you in the BC.
Mazi Fedi, I am not here for meeting. Like I said before, I only came here because of the respect I have for you. Now listen, tell your daughter, Dorcas, to bring my money. Else,
what money?
I will take her to court.
What money?
Your daughter stole my money from my house. I have few bundles in my house. All she could do is to run with my money. No, I will not take that.
See, my in-law, see, I'm just hearing this for the first time. Don't worry. Once she comes back, I will ask her and she will return the money back.
Mama, I'm losing patience.
Calm down. We will sort things.
I'm losing patience, Mama. I need my money. I need my money.
Money for what?
I will serve myself.
Okay.
Ikim, I'm sorry.
Are you talking to me?
Yes. I'm sorry for hitting you and all the harsh words I said to you. I did not mean them. And you know I'm not that kind of person. I was really mad because you played part in the arrest of my boyfriend.
It's okay. I was just respecting your father since you couldn't do that.
You know my father. He's harsh and mean to me. But that's not the point here. It's not enough reason for me to lay my hands on you. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I've forgiven you. I have something doing in the kitchen. Can I go and attend to that?
Sure. Thank you.
Agosi, thank you so much. Thank you for everything you've been doing for my son and I. I really appreciate.
Oh, Sonia, don't mention, okay? It's nothing.
God will definitely bless you.
Amen, and God will bless you too.
Amen.
You see, I just want you to calm down. Everything will be fine, okay? God is in charge. Your son and his father will definitely unite.
Amen. I can't wait. I can't really wait. You know, I'm so happy. I can't wait for the both of them to reunite. But meanwhile, I've been telling my mother about you.
Oh, really?
Yes, I've told her a lot about you. So let me just go down and see if I can.
No, Sonia, please. I'm in haste right now, okay? I promise you, when I come by this weekend, I'll see your mom in person.
But I can just go inside and fetch her. Or, okay, probably get to a train.
I know, Sonia. Just relax yourself, okay? You'll see me here more often, okay?
Okay, no problem.
You're welcome.
If you say so. Once again, thank you so much. My son will really be happy with all the things you got for him.
I know.
Thank you.
And I promise I will do my possible best to make sure you guys are okay. That is one thing I'm going to show you.
Thank you.
Alright, now extend my greetings to your son, okay?
Alright, I will. Once again, God bless you.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Jesus! Lucas, please! Don't hurt me, please! You will go and tell my family the truth! Lucas, please! Remember I'm your husband! Lucas, please! Okay, I will go! You will go! Lucas, I'm your husband! Come on, shut up! Lucas, please! You are joking with me! Please, I'm sorry. No, you think that's what Lucas? Lucas, please! I will deal with you! Lucas, I'm your husband for crying out loud! Why are you treating me like this? Lucas, why are you treating me like this? Okay, I will go and tell you. Lucas!
Emeka.
Yes, ma'am.
You love my daughter?
With my life, ma'am.
Have you slept with her?
No, ma'am. Till after our wedding, ma'am.
I see. See, I've been seeing you with my daughter. And I must say, I support your friendship with her. But you see my husband, he thinks otherwise. He actually thinks you're going to hurt her soon.
No, ma'am. I will not hurt your daughter, Ivy. I will not, ma'am. I will protect her with my life. That is how much I love her.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you. See, Ivy is all I've got. My only daughter, my only child, in fact. Please, all I want to see is her happiness. And she said you are her happiness. Please, Emeka, do me a favor. Take care of that girl. Protect her. I beg you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. So, you want something to drink? Are you sure? Tell me.
How do I look?
Wow, you're looking beautiful. Ravishing and scintillating.
You know, you took the words right out of my mouth.
Okay. Mom, I'm ready. We have to go.
Okay, but please take care of yourself. And come back soon enough, okay?
Sure. Mom, relax. It's just an outing.
I know, but you still have to take care of yourself too.
I'll make sure I don't get you.
Oh, please do.
Thank you.
I'm trusting you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Baby, come on, take care of yourself. My daughter, Mama, that young man have been coming here very often. Are you sure nothing is going on between you two?
Mama. Mama, why will you even say such a thing? See, Mama, nothing is going on. He's just being nice.
Well, but I can clearly tell when a man is in love with a woman.
Mama, what are you even thinking? What is going on in your mind? See, Mama, I don't know what you're saying, but nothing is going on. Trust me.
Anyway, you can deny it or you forge ignorance. But all I see in that young man's eye, that young man is interested in you.
Okay, see, Mama, if he's interested in me, no problem. Let the will of God be done. But for now, this discussion is over.
Simple. That is exactly what you should be saying. I am happy for you, my daughter.
Mommy, they were serious. You're not serious, Mama.
I am happy for you, Mom.
My son, I hope she didn't hurt you.
No, Mama, I'm fine.
Ndubisi, I want you to tell my mother and my uncle what happened in this marriage.
Dorcas, do you know you're making a big mistake and putting yourself into more trouble?
Tell her.
You know that this man can jail you for life.
Uncle, yes, I know. I know he can do that because he has the money to do it. But before he does that, I want you, Ndubisi, to open your mouth and tell them what happened in this marriage. Before I stole you this bottle, open your mouth and talk.
Yes, Mama, she's right. My wife here is the best woman any man could ever have as a wife, and I am lucky to have her in my life as my wife. She's loving, she respects me. Yes, not until bad friends lured me into cheating on her, maltreating her. They made me believe that I will cheat on her and go scot-free. Since I'm the man of the house, that I can do that and go away with that nothing gonna happen. So one day she woke up and then she started beating me up. She said that enough is enough. That was what happened, Mama.
What? So you were the one that started beating her first? And you came here to make us believe that she is the one oppressing you.
I have to say this to cover up what I have been doing to her. I've been the one maltreating her. And then one day she woke up and said enough is enough. And then she started beating me.
Hi. God knows I loved Ndubisi. I loved him so much and I was ready to settle that with him. Mama, I tried. But this man brought out the beast in me. And right now, all I'm thinking about is to stab him to death.
Give me the bottle. Give me the bottle.
Biko.
Please, let her be.
Ndubisi, you came here to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage and promised me you would treat her as a wife. Instead, you took her to your house and turned her into a punching bag. Now, she has turned into a mad dog. She's aggressive to everybody she sees on the street. All because of you. Ndubisi, is that what you promised me?
Mama, I'm deeply sorry. I'm even ashamed of myself.
Sorry for yourself. Be sorry for yourself.
In-law, I'm totally disappointed in you. So you have been the monster here, and you made us believe it is our daughter that is the monster. Ndubisi?
I'm sorry it will never happen again, Mama.
Ndubisi, get out of my house.
My in-law.
Mama, I should leave your
Ndubisi, get out of my compound.
Mama, I'm sorry.
I'm totally
sorry for yourself.
disappointed in you.
Sorry for yourself. Get out. Okaku, get out of my house. If you don't call, hi. Dorcas.
Ndubisi.
So tell me, when will you start driving?
When I buy my own car.
When you buy your own car. You don't need to wait till you buy your own car. I mean, I can teach you how to drive, you know.
But if I bought your car, your father will kill me. It's your father's car.
Oh, relax. You're not going to bash the car. Because I'll be the one teaching you how to drive, you understand? Okay. And talking about my father, why are you always scared about him? Why are you always scared? My father does not bite.
Okay, don't worry, let's go to the party first. Then we'll talk about this driving thing some other time.
Oh, okay. If you say so.
Okay.
If you say so.
But I think it's better I start driving when I buy my own car.
You know what? I'm going to park the car.
Okay.
And you start driving now.
I'll start driving now?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to do. How do you see?
Okay. Look,
So, I'm teaching you how to drive, right?
Yes.
Okay. Take it easy.
Okay.
Easy. Okay. Easy. Make sure you're always looking at the side mirror. Pay attention to it. It's very, very important.
Okay.
So you move slowly.
Okay.
Match your brake.
Yes.
Yeah, climb.
Okay.
Easy. Yeah, move. Why are you shaking?
I don't know. It's
Move.
Ivy, you know, I'm not. This is not my car.
Relax now. Stop shaking your hand.
Okay.
Just keep it one place. Yeah. Accelerate the car. Move. Relax. Just okay. Stop shaking.
No, you know, this is not my car.
I know it's not your car, but relax. Nothing will happen to you. I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, move.
Wait.
Move like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Please.
Oh, yeah. Your leg should be on the brake.
Okay.
Your leg should be on the brake. Should be on the brake.
Okay.
Easy.
I think I can drive now.
You cannot drive. You cannot say it. Keep on going forward. Your leg should be on your brake.
Hey!
Why are you screaming?
I don't know.
Relax, and nothing will happen to you.
I thought the brake is not working.
Now accelerate. Fire.
Like
the
fire.
road is free. Yes. Accelerate. Move the car.
Wait, I'm moving it. Okay.
Move the car.
Are you sure the brake is working?
Accelerate means move there.
Okay.
Press this other side.
This one? No.
Yes.
This one is moving the car now. The other one is stopping the car.
Yes. Press the one that's moving the car. Your legs will match
okay,
it.
this one not stopping.
Yes.
Okay.
Now on your navigator so we can move to the side.
Okay.
This is your navigator.
This one?
Yes.
So put it like
yes, because we're going to the right.
Okay.
Come this way.
So I should come to this side.
Yes, like this.
Sure.
Like this. Oh yeah, turn your hands.
Like this?
Yes. Now accelerate.
So that is moving the car?
Yes, move it through.
I'll match it.
Yes. Go. The road is free, not to be happening.
Match it.
Yes, I do.
Who are you, Koro? Come in. You are good looking.
Oh, my man.
Ah.
Man, sorry I'm late, my bro.
What's going on, man? These days, you don't even have my time. If I call you, it's either you won't pick or you pick and say, I'm busy, this, that. Please, you don't have my time. What's going on?
I'm so sorry, bro. I had to drop her off at the salon.
Her? Who is her?
Sonny, of course.
Agozi, what are you not telling me about this girl?
What do you mean?
What's going on between you and this girl?
Paul, we're in a relationship and that's all.
Relationship? Yeah. Agozie, did you forget who Sonia is?
I know who she is and I am ready to give her a chance. You know, people can always change, so I feel it's reasonable for me to give her a chance in my life and let's see how it works out.
Hey, my guy has turned to a motivational speaker. Coming from somebody who is always discriminating. Agozie.
As you can see, I know she had one or two in the past, but it's a past tense already. I feel we can work things out.
Okay, all right. But be sure, I'm not going to be sure of what you want and what you're going into. Anyway, however it is, what comes to a man is equal to a man. I was trying to send a message to Sophia's...
Dr. I'm very sorry for all that happened. Listen, I feel ashamed for failing you as a mother. I was in a haste to condemn you instead of listening to your reasons and the complaints you told me about your husband. It hurts me so much that I did not listen to you. And I saw that everything was your fault. I'm sorry. Oh, Adam, Biko, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Oh, Biko, Siana. Oh, Mama, I was holding on. I held on for a long time. Mama, I tried. I prayed and wished, hoped that he would change. But he didn't. It became worse. I understand. Oh. Mama, I wished and I prayed that you, my mother, will understand my plight. And see what I was going through, Mama. You were not even listening to me. You didn't see it. You didn't. I tried, Mama. I tried. I understand. I know. I tried. Oh, Biko. I tried. I tried, Mama. I tried. I'm so sorry. I tried. I'm sorry.
You know, you look so stunning and gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And you know, your hair looks so nice. You know, I never knew you were this cute.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Agozie. I really appreciate. Thank you for the kindness and love you've been showing to my son and I. Thank you. Despite knowing my past, you still chose me and treat me right. Thank you so much.
Sonia, I believe in you so much. And I believe your past are past tense already. I believe we would work things out and you can live a better life now. You're so pretty, you know, right?
Thank you so much.
Come here.
I told you it's not hard driving.
Yes. Wow. So I can drive now.
Driving is not hard. In fact, it's the simplest skill ever.
So I'm good now. I can drive anywhere.
No, not anywhere. You need to be consistent so you can be perfect with it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Henceforth, we'll start driving lectures so that I can start going anywhere. You understand?
Yes. Let's go inside.
Let me go and hand you over to your mother. Safe and sound.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What is it? Ivy. Madam. Ivy, no. Wait, Ivy.
My belly.
Small, please stand up now. I don't know what it is. Small madam.
I don't know, I swear.
Wait till she chop.
Ivy, stand up! Ivy!
Small madam.
My belly.
I'm capping, wait till you do.
Which guy slap this one?
I'm capping, wait till you do.
Which guy slap this one? Which guy slap? Why they slap me now?
Small madam. Small madam, what happened now?
Go, Ivy, stand up!
I just an account.
Ivy!
I'm capping, I swear, if anything do small madam. If anything do, man.
I don't know what it is.
Small madam. Small madam, waiting happen.
Ivy!
Small madam, waiting happen now.
Stand up now!
I'm capping, wait till you do.
Why they beat me now?
I'm capping, wait till you do.
Why they hit me?
Madam, oh, big madam. Bless.
Ivy, I beg now. Please. Come. Ivy, stand up. Oh, Ivy.
Just.
I don't know. I swear.
I'm capping, wait till you do.
Ivy.
Madam,
I don't know what happened.
Madam,
I swear, I don't know. Wait till you do.
Wait till you do.
I don't know.
Talk to me now, say something. Hey, nurse.
Understand everything that is wrong with you now. Calm down. The doctor will be with you shortly. The doctor is in safe hands. Calm down. Just calm down.
I don't
Calm
understand.
down. The doctor will be with you. Calm down. The doctor is in a safe hand. Calm down.
Okay. It's my husband. You should come now.
Sorry? What happened?
I don't know. I heard noises outside. Even the gate saw me.
Yeah?
Even the gate man came to call me. When I rushed out, I saw her daughter lying cold on the floor.
You, this bastard again? Eh? You bastard!
Paul.
I have warned this idiot to stay clear of my daughter. What happened? Stay away from my daughter!
Wait.
We only went to party. When we came back, she was okay. All of a sudden, she passed out.
You took my daughter to a party. Haji Busu. This boy. You went and gave my daughter Buratia. Because you cannot buy anything.
No.
Let's hear from the doctor at least.
This boy. Do you know what you do?
What?
Call the police. I'll commit murder now.
Where
is the doctor? Doctor!
Where is my daughter?
If he be say that in a pregnancy, Ivy don't carry belle because that thing no be ordinary sickness sign. The way they see that thing, na sign of person we don't get belle. Yes. It no be ordinary something now.
She fit don't carry belle o. But make that one no happen. Hey, Oga go kill that boy called Emeka o.
Oga no fit do am anything. Oga no fit do am anything. How you expect me to kill the father of his unborn grandchild?
You say?
Yes, now Oga no fit do am anything.
You don't know that man, no. You don't know your Oga. Don't underestimate him, oh. He loves his daughter so much, and you know she's the only child he has.
Who tell you? Who tell you? You don't forget that woman wey dey always come here with that her small pikin. She dey claim say Oga na the father to that child. For your mind, you think say Ivy na the only pikin. Oga dey play game match. He get children. Father Abraham, he get almost around the community. They talk say.
Make madam no hear you. Make even Ivy no hear. If they ask me, make person no hear you. In fact,
but wetin I dey talk na the truth na. Me as I tell you like this, I no fit lie. I dey always spit facts. Yes.
I don't come out. Me and you know they discuss this thing. I don't come out for here.
They go. Mass communicator. They go. Now let my post office chair. Make I observe that gate.
I am sorry, I have bad news.
Bad news?
Yes.
Your daughter suffers kidney complications and it required an urgent transplant.
It requires an urgent transplant. My daughter, kidney? Kidney complication?
How?
This morning, my daughter was healthy.
Yes, yes.
Did you find out anything in her bloodstream? Because it might be from the party.
Unfortunately, I found nothing in her bloodstream that suggests poison. Nothing.
Then why the complications? What's going on?
I am sorry about the unfortunate incident. We are going to carry on dialysis on her immediately when we leave the donor.
I don't know.
Honey?
It's worse.
I know how you feel, my brother. But please, you need to hold on to God. You need to have faith in Him. This is the most important time. And I believe everything will work out. Just have faith in God. Okay? I understand it's not easy for you. I'm ready to give my kidney to Ivy.
What? You do that?
Yes, I will do whatever it takes to save her life. This is great.
We do not need your stupid kidney. We do not need it. We did not ask you to come and rescue her. We have been scanned for donation. Did you hear me? So keep your nonsense kidney.
Can you be nice to this man for once? Please! Emeka, thank you so much. Thank you. But as you can see, we are already on the process of donating our kidneys. Please, I don't know how to thank you for everything. Our daughter didn't make a mistake choosing you as her man.
Hey, please, enough of all this. Hey, get out from my house. I said now.
What is wrong with you, Paul? You need to calm down, okay? You need to appreciate this young man for standing by your daughter at this trying time of her life.
No, I need to appreciate him for causing the problem. This lunatic caused what is happening in my family. If you had left my daughter alone, this wouldn't be. See, this your kidney is poor. I don't need it. Leave here! See, if you don't leave here now, I will. You don't leave here now. I said, get out! Sorry for your big belly. I'm looking for somebody's daughter to please, I'm not in the mood for your Bible preach.
I don't know you to be someone like this.
I'm going bananas. I'm going bonkers.
Oh, calm down.
This idiot caused it.
Can you calm down?
Please stop crying. Stop. You have to stop crying, please.
Why me? Why me? I've asked God this question, but He has not answered me. Why?
Babe, calm down. I know what you're going through. And very soon everything will be fine. Your parents are willing to donate their kidney for you, so you'll be fine, please.
My love, I want you to know something. I love you so much, and I will always love you even in death.
Stop mentioning death. You're not going to die. You'll be fine, Ivy. Babe, you'll be fine, please.
Wait, what? Did you say kidney issue?
Yes, it's kidney issue. Her kidney is bad.
Yeah. Because does she take Onangafia?
I've never seen her with a cigarette before.
Then what happened?
I don't know. We went for a party. When we came back, all of a sudden she just passed out. And we took her to the hospital. The doctor confirmed her kidney is bad.
This is quite unfortunate. Because her mother, how is she taking it?
She has not been fine since then. And her father thinks I'm the cause of everything.
So listen to that one. That one, he can talk anyhow. So anything he wants to say, let him say. Don't even listen to him. Are you living inside her body? How did you give her kidney problem? Eh? A little girl like that. How will she contrast such sickness? Eh? Kidney issue. At that age, nothing will happen to her.
Mama,
nothing will happen to her.
you know how much I love this girl. I don't want to lose her.
Is that why you're crying? Okay, what is that?
I wish to cry now. You know wish to cry.
Be a man. Why you want to lose her? Don't worry, she will be better. Nothing is going to happen to her. Kidney issue. At that age.
From the test carried out, your kidneys do not match.
Our kidneys do not match?
No.
Why? How? Eh? Baby, what do we do?
Did you check well?
Of course. Look, I will urge you to calm down while we look for a donor.
God.
Okay, can you please hurry up with the donor? Please.
Just calm down.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Ivy, I heard what happened. I'm deeply sorry.
I deserve it, right?
No, you don't.
You don't? Yes, I do. Not after all the wickedness I showed you.
No, you don't.
I really deserve it.
No, you showed remorse. Okay, you don't deserve all this.
But yeah, here I am. About losing my life at a very young age.
No, God won't allow that. You are not going to lose your life. We still need you here, Ivy.
Unless I get a donor, I don't think I'll come out from this alive. I'm feeling massive abdominal pain.
You will. God won't let it happen. God will preserve your life for us. Please. I'll keep praying for you, Ivy. Nothing will happen to you.
Oh, okay, doctor. I heard that. Okay. All right. Thank you. Honey, good news.
Good news.
Yes.
What?
A donor.
Donor
has been found.
Hey! Thank God. Thank you, Jesus.
Sweetheart, finally you will live again.
What's that? Of course she will live. She will live to testify the goodness of God in the land of the living.
Oh my God.
Thank God. Thank God.
Who do you believe? Baby, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is you're getting a kidney tomorrow.
No, she's not getting a kidney tomorrow. Right away, tomorrow is too far. Let's go.
We're going now?
Yeah, back 3 days. Let's go.
Okay.
What are we waiting for?
Hey.
Right? Mama, go, stand. Easy. Alright, take it easy. Come.
Sorry, so let me just
quickly get one or two things. Maybe just go. Quickly get one or two things.
Jesus, please take it easy.
Hurry up, buddy. Meet us outside. Wait.
The doctor will be with you shortly.
Oh, okay. Hey, doctor.
Yes.
Okay. How is my daughter?
She's okay.
Oh, she's okay.
Doing well, yes.
Wow, okay.
All thanks to the right donor.
So how's the donor?
He's doing great as well. But you people owe him for his sacrifice.
Please, can I see my daughter?
It's fine. She's inside. You can go in and see her. It's fine. It's fine.
Mama, good afternoon.
What is good about this afternoon? Ndubisi, what are you doing here?
Mama, I'm here to see Dorcas, my wife.
You are here to see Dorcas. Please, Ndubisi, I beg you in the name of God. I don't want any trouble. I've already told my brother-in-law, Ifedi, to take some of our kinsmen to your place to return your bride price, Biko. Biko. So you can go and wait for them. They will bring the bride price for you.
Mama, I know you are still very much angry with me, but I'm not here for the bride price.
Then what are you here for?
I still want my wife back.
Eh? You say what? You still want your wife back? So that you will keep punching her and punching until she dies, eh? Ndubisi, I refuse. Mama. I will not give you back my daughter, Mba.
Mama, please, I don't intend beating her again. I am deeply sorry for everything. Please, I am deeply sorry. It's all my fault. I kept the truth away from you.
Ndubisi, please. You are deeply sorry. You made me hate my daughter. You made me see my daughter as a monster. And here you are telling me that you are deeply sorry. Ndubisi, please leave my house. Say that, Bempo. I said leave.
Mama.
Mama, it's okay.
Dorcas.
It's not okay. Let him leave.
My lovely wedded wife, I am deeply sorry. I'm here to beg for your forgiveness. I am sorry for the hurtful things I've done to you. Please forgive me. I promise it will never happen.
She will not forgive you. Leave.
Mama, please. Let my wife talk to me. My love, I am sorry. Please forgive me.
Do you know you're very stupid?
Yes.
You don't have sense.
Yes, I don't have sense.
You're an idiot.
Yes.
You're a madman.
Yes. Yes.
Do you believe in the bombastic element?
Yes, you are right.
Uncompleted building.
You are very correct.
A goat.
Yes.
Monkey.
Yes.
Pig.
Yes.
Idiot.
Yes.
Elephant. Baboon.
Yes. Call me all those names. Just forgive me.
Since you have accepted all those names, leave now. She doesn't want again. Get up. I forgive you. Your sins are forgiven. Go and sin no more. Eh?
Thank you.
You say what? You forgive him. Someone who did these hurtful things to you. You're forgiving him. Mama, it's also my fault. Because if I had left his house when he started misbehaving, all these things have happened. I waited until the beast entered me and started maltreating him too. That's why.
Mama, please, I take all the whole blames. In fact, I'm very foolish and I never knew how to keep a home. Please, but now I realized I've made a very terrible mistake. And I promise to make everything right this time around.
That's it.
Come on, sit down. I've missed you.
I've missed me. I've done it to you.
I've missed all your trouble.
I wanted to cut this.
Please don't cut it.
Sweet, how are you feeling?
Fine, Daddy.
Fine. You feel alive, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, thank God.
I feel so alive.
Thank God. I thought I lost you. Hey, Father, I thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. Huh? I'll come back to life.
Thank you, Mom. I can't wait to go back home.
You will. You will go back home.
Very soon.
Yes.
But wait. What of the person that donated their kidney to me? Who's the person?
Oh, we'll go see the person once we're done here, okay? The person is in the other room.
Yeah. So don't worry about that.
Yes.
Alright. Honey, our daughter is back.
I can't stop thanking God.
Mama, meet my friend Agozie, the one I've been telling you about.
Ewo, you mean our Messiah? Hey, Mom, you're welcome to my house.
Thank you, Mama.
No,
Thank you,
I don't know how to thank you for all you have been doing for me and my family.
Amen, Mama. Thank you, Mama. I'm so happy to see you too, Mama.
I'm happy to see you too. No.
And you deserve more, Mama.
Yeah.
Okay, Mama. Mama, I got this for you.
Huh?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, all this for me?
Ah, Mama.
Oh, Orike Nunu. Nadalo, oh.
Thank
you. Hey!
Mama, before I forget, he's actually Paul's friend. Yes, Jensen's father.
Oh, hey. No, oh.
So, Mama, how are you now? How are you doing?
Mama, I'm fine, as you can see. I know if I manage.
Oh, you're glowing now.
Hey, Mama, where is Jason?
Okay, Jesse is washing plate. Jesse! Come, one beer. Hey!
Jesse, he's not a big boy, Children, they grow so fast.
Eh? Hey, Nabia, oh, come.
JC.
Go and greet
Jason,
him.
big boy, how are you? Nice to see you again. So how are you now? I hope you're feeling better now. Oh, good.
Hey, no.
Mama, I'm so happy to see you.
Eh?
Thank you so much for saving my life.
I told you, I will not allow anything happen to you.
Ivana, let's go. My brother.
Thank you.
Hey, Ivana, they just discharged you. Listen, my brother, thank you very much. Oh, you have done well. Let's go, honey. Ivana, ngwang. Let's go home.
I'll call you.
Okay, let's go. Your phone, I don't lose.
Mama,
this boy has killed me.
Calm down, Mama.
Don't tell me to calm down. Do not tell me to calm down. Emeka, why would you go and do such without informing us first?
Emeka, why did you do that? How would you risk your life like that without telling your family?
Well, you know, there's no how I can see Ivy dying without saving her. You know how much I love her.
You know what about how much I love her? Who does not know? I know. The more reason you would have just told us before leaving the house. Why didn't you tell us?
Emeka, go back there and bring your kidney. Go and collect your kidney back. I thought you have sense. Now I know you don't have one single sense.
Mba, Mama.
What is Mba, Mama?
That's not possible.
What is Mama Mba? Who on earth lives with one kidney? People live with two kidneys. And you want to donate one kidney. You want to kill yourself. You will not die in my house. Go and bring your kidney back.
Mama, one can live with one kidney as long as God wants you to live.
Yes. You are now God that creates people. Or you now know better than God that created people with two kidneys.
Mama, I don't know more than God, but I'm telling you the truth. When I see true love, Mama, when I see it, I know it. And I'm very sure Emeka loves this girl too much. Mama, I will not be surprised if Emeka gives his life to this girl. I will not.
Gives his life to a girl that the father doesn't want him to come close to.
So far she's alive. Mama.
Listen, let me tell you, that man will never allow you marry his daughter.
Mama,
never.
Things might change you. Maybe giving her his kidney will make him change his mind. You never can tell. So just relax. Let's just watch.
Emeka, go and bring back your kidney. Go and bring back your kidney.
How will I do that?
Ivy, invite that young man that donated his kidney here tomorrow. Okay?
You mean Emeka?
I don't know his name, but whatever his name is, invite him here tomorrow. I want to appreciate him. Okay?
My baby, I hope you're enjoying the meal. Easy, okay? Slowly.
Oh my God, baby, I love the ring. It's so fine.
I know, baby.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, my love. This is from the depth of my heart, baby. I promise to make you the happiest lady on earth.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, darling. Okay, baby, let's go and have some fun.
Okay.
Right now. Okay.
Sure. Mama.
And
guess what? Hey! Guess what?
Yes, but you know I'm not good at
Just
guessing.
guess now.
I can't guess.
Okay. Mama, he just proposed. Agozi, of course. Agozi. He proposed. He asked me to be his wife and I said yes.
Hey! Finally! My daughter is getting married. Jesus, thank you!
See, I'm so happy. God has given me a second chance.
Hey.
And I'm really happy. I'm the happiest woman on earth right now.
I'm the happiest woman in this village.
Hey! See, you'll be having a new dad soon, okay?
What about my real dad?
Your real dad. Okay. Don't worry. Your dad is alive and you'll get to meet him someday. Yes. But for now, this is the perfect dad any son should want, okay? Oh, Mama, I'm so happy.
Very, very happy.
Emeka, you are welcome. I invited you here to appreciate you for what you've done for my daughter. You know, you did it for my daughter and you did it for all of us. I thank you. And basically, I was angry and skeptical about the relationship. But see, it has paid off. I am glad.
I'm happy she's alive, sir.
Well, all of us. So I have decided to use this medium and then appreciate you with a sum of 3 million naira. Yes, I know, man, use it and kickstart your life and become something better, you know.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm grateful.
Yeah, and I appreciate you once more for coming and for what you've done for my daughter, okay?
So thank you for the money once more, but I will respectfully decline the offer.
Well, okay, maybe because the money is not enough. Well, I know 3 million naira is not too much, but for a poor man like you, you can use it and kickstart your life. Yeah, I'm sure you've not seen 3 million naira before, right? Yeah, so use it and then do something better for your life. Okay.
Actually, sir, I want something else.
You want something?
Yes, I want your daughter, sir.
The something you want is my daughter. Wow. You know, your impetus, your braveness, I mean your temerity, it needs to be studied. Who you are needs to be added in the brochure of educational system of this country. Because I don't understand it. You, a poor man, a son of a palm wine tapper in one village, sitting before a rich man, telling me with all temerity, all ego, all strength that you want my daughter. Don't you have respect? Don't you have fears for your life? Do you not remember your mother in the village? You don't even think that I can take you like this, lock you up in one of the rooms and leave you there for five months without food and water. You have the temerity to tell me that you want my daughter, a rich man. Why is it that poor men do more than they do more than themselves?
Sir, please, I want to make your daughter.
If you say it again, I will butcher you like this. The word I will turn to Onyake and butcher you. Idiots. They come because I've been soft. Because I've been considerate. I don't want to get more angry. Because the more you say it, the more angry, the more bonkers I go. Alright, so the deal is over. Get up and leave my house. I said, get out of my house.
Dad.
Hey, if you dad me one more time, dad me, I will dagger you. Look at you, you don't have respect for us. The family name does not matter to you.
You are a daughter of a rich man and behave. Look at who you are talking to me about. Yeah, this lunatic, this animal farm, this big belly. Are you still sitting there?
Dad, come down.
Get
Dad,
out! Get out! Something wrong with you? I will break this on your head. Don't you have respect and regard?
Okay.
Don't come closer. Don't come closer.
Dad!
If I hear one more dad, don't come closer.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you so much.
If you say that again, I will lock you up. Okay, I gave you 3 million naira. Let me not see you a meter away from my house. You idiot. You don't have respect for rich men. You are this idiot with your big belly. You say you're tangman.
So you mean say, after all your sacrifices, this man decided not to allow you to marry his daughter? Okay, this man get her to. I pity you.
My brother, even the matter shock me. That man spits for my face. He don't swear, say, I no go near his daughter again, no matter how I do for the family. He don't swear, they see him for your reaction.
Okay, go and take your kidney back. If not maybe you, I go back there and collect my kidney. Which kind of law be that one now? I don't understand. Huh?
My guy, calm down. I don't give that girl kidney, so I go, they collect them. They give him back, they collect them. No. I love that girl and I make me give her my kidney. So forget them.
Okay.
Not be her fault now, papa fault be that. Now the papa they pour spit for my face.
Okay. Because of saying you love woman, now make you carry your kidney, carry give her. Okay, see him now.
Make her open her chest, collect the kidney. You know they think this your head need they walk.
This guy you fuck up and they tell you the truth.
Paul, you have no idea the trouble you want to bring into this family. Eh? Why are you trying to bring serious trouble into this peaceful family?
What trouble? I'm not bringing in any trouble in our family. I gave him money in appreciation for what he did for our daughter. Instead of him to use the money, he refused. He refused to take the money. So what did I do? What crime did I commit?
He doesn't want your money.
He doesn't want my money. That poverty-stricken boy does not want my money. Who on earth rejects a big man's money? Show me the person. He should have used that money and become something. You're saying he doesn't want.
Money is not everything in life.
Woohoo! So I heard today, I saw it on CNN. Arise News brought it. Money is not everything. And I agreed that money is not everything. You married a rich man. Now why wouldn't you say money is not everything? If you're on the street, you sleep in uncomfy. You may tempt them 2 times. No, poverty is everything. No, poverty is everything. Test poverty and see.
I want to know something. Why are you so difficult? No, tell me, I really want to know. What is it you have against this boy that has done nothing but show love and care to your daughter, your only daughter? I'm truly not happy about this.
Yeah. Your happiness does not matter. It doesn't count here. I'm talking about my family. I'm talking about my daughter. The welfare, the future of my daughter is at stake. You're talking about being happy. That boy should have used the money I gave to him to become something. Fix himself, become something in this life before looking for a big man's daughter to marry. You're
talking as if she's not my daughter too.
She's your daughter. Then why are you defending that boy? Our daughter is too small to be with a man. Don't you get it? That doesn't get you worried. You like that boy, advise him. Let him make right decision. I gave him such an amount of money and he is still gallivanting up and down.
So where are you going to?
Does it concern you?
Ivy. Ivy.
my God!
Ivy. Where's my daughter?
Ma, I was going to inform you. I came to let her know that her meal is served. No, she's not here, and few of her things are gone. In fact, almost of her things are gone.
No! What did you say that happened?
Where's my daughter? Eh? Where's my daughter?
Your picking go dey inside.
Inside where?
She dey inside.
What? Eh? You mean you didn't know when she left this house?
She come out.
Hey! Elijah! Elijah, where is my daughter? You did this to me! Elijah, you were here sleeping! And she left with her bags! Hey! Why? Oh, Jesus!
Madam,
oh, my husband.
She fly come out. I stand here.
Shut up! Hey.
Wait.
Paul, my guy.
My guy, like play, you're getting married.
Go here now. You see me?
Congratulations. Congratulations, my man. Now you come now.
Of course, I'm getting married to the mother of your son.
Is there any time you don't want to attack me? Every now and then you want to bomb stores.
You're my guy, like, how will I attack you, eh? You know we're in this together. And moreover, Paul, you're not being fair to that guy. That young man that donated his kidney to save the life of your daughter. And you refused him to marry her. Why?
What are you talking about? The guy is poor. What do I have to do with a poor man? Nothing, actually. He shouldn't come near my daughter. He's a nobody, a poor man, son of a palm wine tapper. And my daughter is not of age to start with. No, come off it, Agozi. What are you saying?
You have the resources. You have everything to make that guy somebody. And moreover, the last time I checked, your daughter is of age already. She deserves to love and to be loved, so I don't know why you're being too hostile towards her.
You've started monitoring my daughter. She's of age. Your eyes are there.
What do you mean by my eyes are there?
Stop it. Oh. I offered this young man money and he rejected it. 3 million naira is not a joke. It's not a joke, for crying out loud. I gave him money. So he insisted on having one thing. And the thing is my precious daughter.
The young man loves your daughter and it's evident. You can see he even rejected the money you offered him. You should know he's in love with her. Oh, you're being unfair to this young man. It's not nice. I'm very sure your wife is not in support of all these things you're doing.
I look like I care. Yeah? I don't care. I don't need anybody's support to, know that I am, on a just cause, on a good cause. Yeah? I don't need anybody's support to know that I took a right decision. I'm crying out loud.
Paul, this is not fair. I will always tell you the truth.
I don't know what you're talking about. Imagine that poor boy. Eh? Baby. What?
to God, anybody can hit this gate like that. If you hit this gate anyhow, you will get from my Lord. I will sue.
Where's Oga?
Where's
Oga? Madam, where's Oga?
You again. You. I beg, make a step.
Where's Oga? Your madam. Get the fan now. Ndala.
Hey. What's going on there? Do you know I can arrest all of you for trespassing? You again, you this poor man.
I tried telling him. Son of a pan wine tapper.
Hey, listen. You are trespassing. I can arrest you for this. What's your problem? What are you doing here?
I've heard so much about you. And it seems everything they told me is true. You are wicked, ruthless, heartless. Yes. So, upon all the sacrifices my son did for your daughter, you have the guts of steel to be this stupid and ungrateful.
Hey, madam, do not insult me. You can't insult me in my own...
That you are who? But this is so yankee, but my mother cannot talk to you. What?
No be gadus with this.
What gadus? Paulinus, what gadus? Listen, I once dated your husband long time ago before he met you. And I have never known him as a good person. This man has never been good. Tell her! Yes. This man, I also heard his ex-wife had a son for him. Yes. Imagine how that boy will feel if he gives his kidney to a girl and then the father of the girl comes out to say no to the girl he has given half of his life to. How will he feel? Ask her! Ask her! You have a son? Oh, you didn't know? Well, now you know the terrible man you have as a husband.
Hey, stop this. Stop it this minute. What's your problem? Okay, your brother saved my daughter back to life, I agree, which I appreciated. And that was why I gave him 3 million naira.
3 million? What is 3 million compared to the sacrifice my son did for your daughter? Can you give me 3 million?
Oh boy, now John. Onye luro fumbe sisi be ya mbe na aba. You want 3 million? Do you have 3 million? Isi na anya adi ko ena lazu na ekoka. Eh? You want 3 million? You came to my house wearing bedroom slippers. I want to go out and see the Lambo for Mercy. Mercy for Lambo you came with. Maputa here na afuchasi anya. What do you mago na ngode kai kai? Eh? Monitor her before we live a problem. Look at her eye there, kekoko. Nonsense. If 3 million naira was not enough, why didn't you voice out? I know you are poor and I have money. So what you would have done is to say 3 million naira is not enough. I give you more so that it will go around your poverty home.
It's only a stupid man that thinks everything is about money.
Okay, now it is obvious now that a deliberate attempt. You came to my house to insult me. But I will only answer you if you have a phone like me. Let me give you who will answer you. I have a woman on there. Atalugo wine. Kunye baike. Olo. Challenge who is challenging me. Fight her. She's insulting me.
Upe.
Kunye, what are you doing there? You're standing like foreign to me.
Stop! Stop!
Look at. Eh?
Hey. Oh. You and I have a lot to talk about.
It is obvious. There are a lot to talk about. But what we are saying, deal with the one that is here. Somebody is insulting me. It's not only Hada in bed. Hada here. Fight her.
For now, I need to find my daughter. Have you seen my daughter?
Is she missing?
As if you don't know Onyori. She missing. Who is okay?
We need to tell her parents that she's here.
Ivy, before I forget, this is my elder sister. She used to be your father's ex.
How? How were you able to cope with my father's behavior?
Dear child, it's a long story. I feel your pain. See, if circumstances were to be different, I would have been your mother. Yes. But right now, you have to go back to your parents' house because they've been looking for you. Please.
I cannot go back to my father's house. I cannot. He's separating me from my love. So it's better I won't stay here than going back to that wicked man's house.
Listen, let's just allow her stay here for the night. Then tomorrow, We'll let her parents know she's here with us. Mama, are you sure this thing you're talking about is good? Eh?
Let me.
Thank you so much, ma.
Let me take her inside.
Take her inside the house.
Let me show you
inside
where
the
to
house.
keep your bag.
This belongs. She's been waiting here. Take her inside. Eh? Take her inside, bro. Mama, listen. See, me, I know that I don't like Paulinus, but I know how his anger is. You can't keep this girl in this house this night. You can't do it. If it's you, you're looking for your child that is somewhere, you will not be happy. How could you come Oh no. Don't you know that this girl, no matter how you persuade her, she will not go. This is a child. If I flog her, she will go back to her father's house. What do you mean by she? It's almost late. Look, it's almost nightfall. We can take her back ourselves, Mama. No, let her sleep over now. Tomorrow we'll take her back. I'm going to the kitchen. Hi.
Who is in this dungeon? Huh? Anybody in this godforsaken dungeon? This rat hole! I said, who lives here? Ivana! Look at you.
What are you doing?
Look at you. Are you serious right now? So this is where you came to keep my child, my daughter.
Wait, sir.
A daughter of a rich man. Okay, madam, what's the problem? Even though I'm in your house, what I'm doing here? This is my daughter. A daughter of a rich man, Paul Odenibo. What is Jesus Christ?
In my house! Hey! In my house! What's taking me?
I will run into you now.
Dad, can you just stop it? Eh?
Jesus Christ.
I choose to stay and I will stay here for as long as it takes.
Are you talking to me? You stay where?
Yeah.
In a dungeon. You will stay in this rat hole. My friend, it is impossible. Impossible. Get your things and get into this car. Let's move from here.
I'm not leaving, Dad.
You are not leaving.
Yes.
I will disown you. I will disown you.
Stop this! Stop it! How dare you threaten to disown your only child? Eh? Are you not saying that your attitude and everything is messing the whole thing up for us? What's all this now? You're senseless ego, very stupid one. What are you doing like this? Okay, now your daughter hates you with passion. I want something that you're okay with it. Are you okay with it?
Dad, I love Emeka so much.
Why?
Yes, and I have the right to choose whoever I want to spend the rest of my life with. And that's Emeka. I love him so much.
Okay.
Inolia? Inolia?
See, just let these people be. Our daughter here said she's in love with Emeka. And Emeka has proven beyond every reasonable doubt that he's ready to spend the rest of his life with our daughter. What is it? Just let them be. See, I've kept quiet for so long and I don't want to keep quiet anymore. You're pushing this girl far away from me and I don't want it. She has every right to choose a man of her own. And she has my full support. I suggest you do same because I'm tired of all this. I am seriously tired of all this.
Well, it's just that you're talking about the daughter of Chief Paul Odenibo. A rich man, Onyamama. Paul Odenibo, for crying out loud.
If you too much and bully him, I'll stay with them here.
Okay.
Because I can't afford to lose my daughter.
I was just trying to, safeguard the future of my daughter. I don't think I've done badly, as a matter of fact. If it is what she wants to, if this will make you happy and make you follow us or come home later, well, so be it. As a father, I have tried. I have tried as a father. Madam, I am sorry for barging into your house and shouting. You and your daughter, if there's please go back to my daughter. That is your portion. Go back, please. I'm talking to your mother. I'm sorry if there's any way I have offended you by barging in here and shouting. Forgive me. But the truth of the matter is that
I know.
The rich man's daughter. What is the problem?
There is no problem. But listen, if my son can give half of his life to your daughter, you should be rest assured he will protect her with his life and take very good care of her.
Well, let us go. If you're not maybe maybe it's like
She'll be
I
alive
will not
with
take you
it.
to the hospital.
Hey, she'll be alive with
oh.
it.
Bye.
You're a good wife.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Do you want to live with them? Eh?
I'll come back.
You're a good woman. Thank you, Ezimo wine. Good woman. I don't know why you're going to take care of her. Keep managing him, bro. Keep managing him.
If you like, stay there and tell them one more. I'll come back to that home.
She will be alive. She will be alive with it. Pauline knows that much. Ivy. She does not want you have.
Today is a good day. And I thank the Almighty God that today has come. A day I never expected that it will come. But eventually, here we are. I want to use this opportunity to say to everyone that I have offended in one way or the other. You know, Madu can buy an Emekasi, you know. But in any way I've offended anybody here, truly from my heart, I want to say I am sorry. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Forgive me in any way I have offended you. You know. Again, I want to use this opportunity to announce the presence of my son, Jason. Jason is my son, which I have spent days pleading to my wife to forgive me. Ugodia, Kacharugum, Okoro Kalisia, Asodum, please forgive me. Tina you know. The truth is, I kept the news away because I was not sure then that he was my son. Due to the circumstances surrounding my crashed marriage, that was why I kept it away. You know. But if not for my friend Agozie, who persuaded and made me go through the process of DNA that proved that Jason here is my son, you know, I wouldn't have known. Well, though the mother and I are no longer together, but I am happy that she found peace in the arms of my friend, a good man. Which I can beat my chest and say, yes, he can take care of her and my son. And myself, on the other hand, will do my best to make sure they lack nothing. Exactly. Well, my love, I still say please, find a way to forgive me. You know, that in future it will not be a problem. Please. You forgive me. You man is wine, Sonia, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My pride, my angel, my world. I'm so proud of you. You know, your maturity and your staunchness towards what you want is to be commended. It is commendable. It is to be studied. You know, I thank God that you finally found that which pleases your heart. I'm happy you found your joy, find your happiness. Okay? And what can I say? As a father, I have to pray for you and make sure I give my blessings to make you flourish and prosper in your marriage. Emeka, this is my pride. She's my princess. She is my world. Please, take care of my daughter. If she offends you, find a way to resolve it. Listen, you are older than her. She's just a child. Treat her like one. I do not want to hear them say. I don't want to hear that. Please take care of my daughter.
I promise.
You know, So take care of her.
Thank you so much, Father.
Yeah. So, Oji adi anu oyibo. Ekene m Chukwu okike, ekene m anyanwụ, ekene m ekekere ụwa. You are the highest point of excellence, the inquisitive and ozone layer of mankind. You created man in your own image and likeness, gave man life. Almighty God, today is a good day in my family. I commit these children unto thy hands. All I ask is protect them, that they will have children, they will have peace, they will have joy, they will prosper. Whatever they lay their hands on shall become blessings and positivity. Fire mutamwa. I pray and I pray that everything you lay your hands as you have come to marry my daughter shall come to pass in Jesus' name. Mary.
It's not from
Go inside and bring food. You want to